Looking for an audio cable that truly elevates your home sound system? The Monolith RCA Audio Cable promises exactly that: clean, clear sound without the hiss or distortion that can ruin your listening experience. If you want your music and movies to sound as crisp and detailed as possible, this cable is worth a look. I recently hooked up 7 Monolith RCA cables to connect a 7-channel amp to my Denon X3700H receiver, powering a Klipsch speaker setup including the RP8000F, RP504C, and RP502's models. Right away, I noticed the difference. Even at high volumes, there was no background hiss or noise at my main listening position. The sound was clean, transparent, and full-bodied, with deep bass and clear mid-range that made every track come alive. What makes these cables stand out is their meticulous construction. They use 2 different solid OFC, oxygen-free copper, conductor gauges to optimize bass and mid-range frequencies. A flat OFC conductor enhances mid-range clarity, while OFC spiral ribbon conductors deliver maximum treble definition without harshness. This careful layering ensures every frequency range gets the attention it deserves. The double shielding, an OFC copper braided shield combined with an aluminum foil shield, keeps unwanted noise out without sacrificing sound quality. Plus, silver content solder joints improve conductivity and durability. The connectors themselves are precision machined die cast with 24K gold plating, guaranteeing a solid, corrosion-resistant electrical contact that lasts. Available in 4 lengths, 3, 6, 9, and 12 feet, the Monolith RCA audio cables offer flexibility to fit your setup perfectly. Whether you're wiring a compact stereo or a full surround sound system, you get a cable that's built for ultimate audio performance and reliability. If you're someone who values sound purity and durability in your audio gear, these cables deliver what you want. They don't just promise clarity, they prove it, with top reviews from users who appreciate the clean, noise-free sound at louder volumes. It's a solid upgrade for anyone who doesn't have access to XLR connections but still demands high-quality audio. Ready to hear your music and movies with sharper detail and less interference? The Monolith RCA audio cable is a straightforward, reliable choice. Try it when you're ready to enhance your home audio setup with cables designed for real performance.